Hey, turn it up, bro. Good looks. Yeah. Shout out to all the ugly niggas. Bad bitches gon' fuck with y'all eventually. Ooh, pushing them back like I indent. I'm skinny as hell, so these niggas gon' try me. I'm bringing that smoke like an incense. Like Jackie Karate, I kick shit. Not a shooter, but my brothers blick shit. If they got that THC, ain't no CBD. With my glasses, I'm innocent. Hey, ooh, 3rd grade, that Blanco, I sold it. They all on my nuts, just hold it. I was asking my mama for money, I owe her OG, best believe I stole it. They wanted that crack, I had hell of it. I give me a rack, I embellish it. You chasing the thotty with about 20 bodies, I'm chasing that cabbage and relish, bitch. My bad, I ain't mean to turn up. I gather that green, I earn up. Hottest new nigga won't burn up. Shorty so thick, she syrup. Don't cap it, we scratching the surface. I can count on 2 hands while I passed the op and he said he would hurt us. Hey, niggas showing they true colors two-faced. Knocking his head off, toupee. Tried to run away, but it was too late. Make him foam out his mouth like it's toothpaste. Boy, look at his face when he walked past. Phone him got shook, so he walked fast. I swear he be fumbling, tumbling words. He speaking that Spanish, he talk fast. Chase that money like I'm playing tag with it. No pop walking, but parties, I'm crashing it. I be walking around with my niggas. We rock them G-Phazos, so white they got cracking it. Knock them busy, they don't know what's happening. Make sure my niggas eat, I'm a cabinet. If your auntie pull up to the slot to get hot, boy, you better believe that I'm cracking it. If I make it, I know it's gonna be some little hating ass niggas that bring up my past tense. I'm never gonna chip on a peon, don't care what he be on, I'm beyond the whack shit. I mess with them shorties that got their own money, you mess with them thoughts we got class with. I'm due up the greatest to fuck with the planet, they pay me to push on my glasses.
Alright, y'all, here we go. I step out into the winter. It's been a cold night. It's been snow everywhere. I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like on this other end, man. You're gonna trip about this. Let me let y'all see what it look like. You seeing me. Now let me just let you see what it look like on the other side. Definite snow blizzard. This is why you move to LA right here. This is why we moving to Hollywood. So you can see this shit bust the gate open. Look at the tree. Yeah, baby. Look how deep it is walking through it. Look at this right here. Look how deep this is. Look at this, man. Look at the ice on that crib next to me. So you see it's been a nice winter blizzard, boy. Look at that. Look how thick that is. On both sides. Crazy. And my back actually went out a few days ago trying to shovel. I'm not kidding, dude. This shit is about 2 feet, man. Look at this. It's about 2 feet. No kidding you. It's about 2 feet of snow. Or maybe 3. This is probably about 2.5 or 3 feet of snow. Yo, look. And I shoveled this 3 times yesterday. That let you see it's about 3 or 4 feet of snow. Look at all this cold winter. It's just an all white sheet. Just an all white sheet. In the snow, baby. This my dig right here. We got a snow blizzard. Oh, look at that. We got the director's chair. It's got some snow on it finally. That was my birthday gift this summer. Man, look how high this hill is. This is crazy, man. Look at this. Like snow crazy. Look how deep it is. I just walked through that. Look at this winter chime, Charlie. All right, man. I got that yard looking righteous. Now it's time to look at this out here. Look at this out here, man. It's crazy. I'm gonna let y'all see it, though. Yeah, you know it, man. It's crazy. Man.
Oh, fuck, I can't get out of that.
Yeah, I was trying to told you. Boo-boo. It's different. It's different. I told you it's different. You like, I got to go get that.
Why you let me keep getting dressed? I can't get out of that.
You like I gotta have my life.
Alright, I gotta go.
Yeah. shit cause these thotties be tricky. It's due up the greatest take over the city. I'm out with the gang and we fogging and whipping. My vision is trippy. And we bout to run to take ops down. We gunning at niggas, we making them float. You would think that them niggas got hops down. We making a hit and it drop now. We dropping some licks then we pop out. We picking up grandmas and aunties and sisters. I don't even try cause I'm hot now. Hey easy, you think they can handle the flow, man? I'm trying to get shorty to come to the slot just to make like a candle and blow, man. I'm due up and I'm getting over it. I'm trying to get close like a snowman. Running back with some racks and I'm cracking the back and I'm doing my business with no
Alright guys, what's good in the world, man? I'm halfway finished with this thing, man. I knocked out the front, but I gotta let y'all. I knocked out the back, brother. I gotta let y'all see the front. Young Blizzard 2021. That's what we rocking with in Chi-Town. It's cold as a soldier, and it's earlier than a boulder, so I'm finna get it in and get it over with.
I think my phone is full. Okay, no, it started back up. You can't even get your butt up. You were silly. Oh shit.
Damn, cell phone did. Take that. I'm gonna do it again. Oh shit.
My voice be blasting through your whip, bitch, that's a sweet thing. I bring some passion in my music. Got a casket for the dudes that's always riding on my dick. Meanwhile my meat hang. You think they ready for me? Applying the vision that they never seen, the shit they ain't ready to see. I just gotta open their minds up for the nigga I'm ready to be. I work on my mental, then work on my physical. Life could be steady for me. I'm due, I
Why are you
to
silly?
I don't shoot at niggas, I'm not with a shooter, but I bring a shooter to you. My mind is constantly moving.
You could have did that down. You could have did that down the walkway and made a path for people.
You ain't on my level, man. You try to be better than me, you gon' play yourself with your queen. If you don't get your act together,
Southwest.
hell of a thing. I just gotta smile and make a little joke. Now I got a date with your queen. Catch up, you never match us. Now you finna big drown, huh? You out of my dick now, huh? I got niggas sick now, huh? That's tough.